Hello, everybody. In this session, we're going to see about the multimedia and animation. The topic is Introduction to Multimedia. In this video, consists of Introduction to Multimedia, definition, types of multimedia, delivering multimedia, then why multimedia, list out the applications of multimedia, examples of multimedia application. Finally, we conclude with the summary. Now, we see the definition for the multimedia. The multimedia is a nothing but it is the combination of text, art, sound, animation, and video delivered to you by computer or other electronic or digitally manipulated means. A multimedia project development requires creative, technical, organizational, and business skill. In this case, the text contains of alphabets, numbers, and a special symbol. Art is nothing but a graphic, or otherwise that will be called as the image in the different file formats. Sound is a audio, and animation and video. During the time, multimedia project development requires a creativity. The user can creative in their own model, like in the 2 dimension or in a 3 dimension. It just not like a programming language. The user not follow any syntax or semantic in their presentation. They give their own creativity. Then expertise with the some technical knowledge in the multimedia, either in the 2D or a 3D. Then organizational and the business skills are required for development of the multimedia project. So, to conclude, the multimedia is a combination of those things like a text, graphics or image, animation, sound, as well as a video. Now, let us see the important terminologies used in the multimedia. First one is the interactive multimedia. When the user is given the option of controlling the elements. For example, like in the sound, you can increase or decrease the volume. For the video, you forward or rewind. Like that, you can controlling the elements. That is called as the interactive multimedia. Then have the another term hypermedia. When the user is provided a structure of linked element for navigation. The hypermedia is especially used in the web-based application. Without the sequence, randomly you can access the particular page. That's why we using the hypermedia. Then next one is the multimedia developer. The people that develop the multimedia projects in the 2 dimension or a 3 dimension. The people or the group of the team that is called as the multimedia developers. When see the another important terminologies of multimedia, the software vehicle, the messages and the content together consist in the multimedia project. Then we want to give the title for the multimedia. That is nothing but multimedia project shipped to the end users with or without instructions is called as the multimedia title. The user guide is given means with the instruction, or without the instruction there will be a missing of the user guide. That is called as the multimedia title. Finally, the project is also can be launched on the web applications. While using of the browsers, you can access the project on the internet resources. The types of multimedia classified into two terms. One is the linear multimedia. Second thing is the non-linear multimedia. First thing we see about the linear multimedia. In this case, the projects are not interactive. The users have only the very little control over the presentation. For example, watching the movie. Non-linear, that means interactive multimedia. On that occasions, the projects that are user interactive, for that the user is provided by the navigational control. For example, while using of the arrow keys, left, right, up, down, those arrow keys, you can control your presentation. That is called as the non-linear, or otherwise that will be called as the interactive multimedia. Then the definition for the linear multimedia. In this case, the user sits back and watches the presentation. The presentation normally plays from the start to the end. Otherwise, you can use the loops to skip some slides to continually to present the certain required information. A movie or a film is the common type or example for the linear multimedia. Demo shows, non-interactive lectures. The non-linear, or otherwise that will be called as an interactive multimedia. In this case, users have the ability to move around or follow different path through the information presentation. This will be contains advantages as well as disadvantages. For the complex domain of information can be presented. This is one of the advantage. The major disadvantage of in this category, users might lost an massive information in the highway. So this is very useful to preparation for the encyclopedia or a Wikipedia for the education purpose and training as well as the entertainment. Non-linear means interactive. Users have control the content, giving the navigation control. For example, say it as a games, whose were interactive CDs. Then the multimedia project can be delivered on online through the PDA, personal digital assistants, and handheld devices like your mobile phones, laptops. The primary media of multimedia projects contains of CD-ROM, DVD, as well as in the Blu-ray disc. We see one by one. CD-ROM is a cost-effective distribution media for multimedia projects. Around 80 minutes full screen video or sound that will be stored. In the DVD, the capacity of the DVD up to 18 GB. It will be start from 4 GB minimum and maximum 18 GB. DVD authoring and integration software used to create interactive front-end menus for film as well as games. Then Blu-ray, it is a next generation high definition video as well as the high density data. The disk and storage up to 27 GB. It supports as well as the up to 100 GB. We see the comparison between the CD, DVD as well as the Blu-ray. CD contains only 700 MB, DVD up to 8.5 GB, Blu-ray you go and store the multimedia project up to 120 GB. CD and DVD burns the software that will be reads the disk and converting the disk that will be support all the multimedia formats including audio, video, text as well as the image. Why we go for the multimedia? The question that will be rises. So these are the reasons that will be listed out in here. It is easy of usage, infinite interface, impressive experience, self-paced interaction and better retention. You can understand in the better way, cost effective one, and it is also more fun and entertainment. List out some of the applications of the multimedia. First one, it is a home. Second one is a public places. In the home, you can use the television sets or a computer monitors with built-in inputs. In the home, you can use it for the movie on the demand, games, instructional videos like that. In the public places, multimedia will become available on standalone terminals to provide information and help. Just like a route map is a good example. The business purpose, the commercial and the advertisement purpose, the multimedia applications are used in the business that will be include presentation trainings, marketing, advertising, product demos, databases, catalog, instant messaging, and a networked communication. Then for the schools and the colleges, the educational software can be developed and enrich the learning process to move away from the transmission or a passive learner model of learning to the experience learning or active learner model. Some of the examples of the multimedia application that will be includes digital video editing and production systems, electronic newspapers or magazines, games, groupware, home shopping, interactive TV, multimedia courseware, video conferencing. Most of the education and the schools now comes under the video conferencing method. Video on demand, virtual reality is the emerging part of the multimedia. Then we summarize the multimedia introduction. The multimedia is a combination of text, graphic, art, sound, animation, and a video. We already see the two types of the project. One is the linear and another one is the non-linear. The multimedia project can be stored on the CD-ROM, DVDs, Blu-rays. Finally, that is also a facility to hosted on the web. It is widely used on the business, schools, public places, and also in the home. Thanks to watch this video. Thank you.